Hi Fit Fam, welcome back to Tips from Stella Fitness and day 14 of our Fit Body Challenge. As usual, continue marching in spot with me so that we warm up our bodies, preparing the heart, the muscles for this workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're returning, I am very happy to be having you. Today we are going to be burning calories and working on strengthening that heart. We are going to be doing jumping jacks with 5 different variations, so make sure you are energized, you are hydrated for this workout. Pulling your abs or your tummy towards the spine throughout the whole routine in order to keep them engaged. So we are going to be beginning with step jacks, 30 seconds of those. So you begin with the right to the left, pulling in your abs towards the spine. Keep breathing. Keep going, you're doing amazing. Yeah, feeling good about yourself. Nothing complicated in this one. Just continue going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then basic jacks. Pulling those abs towards the spine and keep breathing. Feeling your heart rate going up. I bet you are sweating as well. Giving me 30 seconds of this as well. Keep breathing, keep going. We shall be moving on to cross jacks in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So keep alternating the legs and the hands. 30 seconds of this as well. Take it slow. If this is too much for you, feel free to pause anytime during this workout and continue going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, guys. We need to catch our breath, so just give me a little bit of stretching. If you need to grab some water, please feel free. Go grab some water or even some celery juice. Yeah, I will be drinking some of that after this workout. And we are going to be continuing with seal jacks. So just give me 2 more stretches and 1 more and get back, guys, and you will begin opening and closing. 30 seconds of this as well. Keep breathing, abs towards the spine. I'm sweating already. I hope you are too. Keep going. Don't slow down, don't give up, don't give in. Moving on to jump rope jacks in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So just give me 30 seconds of this as well. Just pretend that you are having a rope over there, imitating that jump rope movement. Keep going. We are doing great so far, and we are going to be doing everything just 1 more time. So we are not yet done, guys. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You will give me some more stretching as well, catching your breath and preparing to repeat this set just 1 more time. 30 seconds per exercise. How are you guys feeling? I hope amazing. Don't you worry, we just have only 1 more set to go, so just give me 1 more stretch per leg and we shall begin with the step jacks. Keep breathing up towards the spine, feeling good about yourself, and giving me 30 seconds of this. before we get into that basic jacks. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and double. Yeah, keep going, guys. You're doing great. Don't slow down, don't give up, don't give in. Keep breathing and keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and one more stretch, guys. Woo. Catching your breath. Yeah, I hope you are feeling the burn like I am feeling it in the entire body. We are going to head onto those cross jacks in just about 2 seconds from now. Get into position and we shall begin. Just keep crossing the arms and the leg, alternating. And we shall be moving on to seal jacks. Keep going, we are not yet there. And keep going, guys. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and those seal jacks. 30 seconds of those as well. Apart together, apart together. That's what we used to call jumping jacks when we were young. Apart together, apart together. And keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and jumping rope jacks. Keep going, guys. If this is so intense for you, feel free to pause the video, go catch your breath and catch some water. Just pretend you are holding a jump rope. This is the last one, guys. Keep going, don't slow down, don't give up. Apart together. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, guys. We have done it and we want to stretch it out as our final stretch. Just reach out that leg and pull your foot towards your hand and just hold this right there for 30 seconds, guys. Feeling that gentle stretch in your legs. You've done an amazing job. We are stretching this out for 30 seconds. Keep holding it right there. How are you guys feeling? Oh, I'm feeling so sweaty and I feel very good actually. Continue holding this right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come up and the other leg. Ooh. Keep holding this right there for another 30 seconds, feeling that gentle stretch in your legs and your hands as well, pulling onto your foot. Keep holding it right there. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get back up and you want to widen your legs too as far as you can bring them, and you want to move side to side while stretching out your back, your hands, feeling that gentle stretch in your legs, in your back, in your hands. Keep stretching it out. The body has done amazing. It always needs that stretch after a good exercise. Keep stretching it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Bring yourself back up. You want to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. out, coming to the end of our jumping jacks workout, guys. A high five if you've made it this far. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. I'm really sweating. Don't forget to share it with your friends and families on social media. Invite them over to come and join us in our Fit Body Challenge. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest, because I do share a lot of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family over here. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in tomorrow's video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye. Whew.